Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine. Very good. Okay. Did you all read the chapter 4, Clothes We Wear Yesterday? Yes? Okay, very good. I know you are all very talented. Only you need to put some effort. Okay. Now, this is the time to discuss the book's exercises. Are you ready all? Okay. Open your book. Open page number 16. Have you all opened the book? Fine. See, here on page number 16, 4 blanks are given here, isn't it? What you have to do is, you have to rearrange the letters in the boxes and write them in these blanks. We have already discussed this page many times, so it is not difficult for you to write these words. Okay? Nice. Now come to this page number 17. I have underlined few keywords in my previous video and online class also. So these are the important difficult words of this chapter. You have to read and learn the spellings of these words. I am reading the words again one more time for you. Listen and follow me carefully. Smart, protect, heat, cold, rain, dust, cotton, summer. You can learn the spelling of season also, the word season, and clothes also. Okay. Woolen, winter, raincoat, rainy, and umbrella. Okay. Now come to page number 18. On page number 18, the first question is work time question. I am reading the question for you. Just listen to me very carefully. Color the circle in front of the clothes that you wear in school. Look at these pictures carefully. What you have to do here, you have to color the circles in front of the clothes that you are wearing, the clothes that you are wearing in school. So this is a night suit. Do you wear night suit to school? आप नाइट सूट पहन के स्कूल जाते हैं? नो. सो इस बॉक्स को छोड़ दीजिए. एंड सेकेंड, शर्ट. सो डू यू wear shirt to school? Yes, isn't it? You children wear shirt to school. So you have to color this box. I am shading it with a pencil. You can use a color pencil to color the circle. Then scarf, no. Tie, yes. So circle this. Then shorts, no. Shoes, yes. So color this circle. Okay, this question is done. Now come to revision time. Let us revise the 3 important points of this chapter. That is, clothes make us smart. And then second, they protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. And third point, we wear different clothes in different seasons. Okay, done? Okay. Now let's answer type question. Tick the correct option. You have to take the correct option. Before reading this question, let us look into the pictures. This is a tracksuit, sari and gown. Okay, have you seen the pictures? Now let us read the question. Which clothes will you wear when you want to go for jogging? So when you go for jogging, which clothes do we wear? Tracksuit, sari or gown? We will wear tracksuit, isn't it? So you have to put a tick here. and leave these two boxes empty. Don't put a cross here because the teacher has only asked you to tick the correct option. She doesn't ask you to cross the wrong option. Okay, just leave these boxes empty. And come to this question: which clothes will you wear when you want to attend a party? Look at these clothes. This cloth looks like a party wear dress, isn't it? And this is a short and this is a raincoat. So we wear this type of party wear to parties. So put a tick here. Clear? Now come to page number 19. Fill in the missing letters to complete the sentences. Cotton clothes are worn in summer. So which type of clothes do we wear in summer? Cotton clothes. Dash clothes are worn in winter. What answer should come here? Woolen. Dash is worn during rainy season. So during rainy season we wear what? Yes, very good. We wear raincoat. Okay, children, clear? Now come to hot question. We usually wear synthetic clothes in parties. This question is for your understanding. So generally people wear synthetic clothes in parties. Why? The reason is synthetic clothes are very fine and smooth texture. So synthetic clothes की जो texture होता है वो बहुत smooth है और fine भी है, और they do not shrink also. They are light weighted and less expensive. वो बहुत महंगा भी नहीं आते और उसमें डिज़ाइंस बहुत होते हैं और readily available होते हैं. You can go to the market and get it any time. एंड देन डिज़ाइंस भी मैंने कह दिया, डिज़ाइंस बहुत होते हैं और दे आर स्टेन रेसिस्टेंट होते हैं. ठीक है, तो इन रीजंस के वजह से एवरीवन जनरली वी यूजुअली वियर सिंथेटिक क्लोथ्स इन पार्टीज. दिस इज फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वेश्चन. ओके, नाउ कम टू लेट्स डू. दिस इज एन एक्टिविटी टाइप क्वेश्चन. Collect and paste the pictures of a doctor, a pilot and a policeman wearing their uniform in the given space. So in these three boxes you have to paste the pictures of a doctor, a pilot and a policeman with their uniform. Okay, I mean wearing their uniform. So if you see your old books, LKG, UKG books, you may find the pictures of these people. Cut them and then paste it here. Cut the pictures and paste it here. Okay, nice. Come to life skill. Life skill, in this chapter I have explained you two important good habits. That is always wear neat and clean clothes, and second, take care of your clothes. So and things which you follow. Okay, now come to tick the things you do. Here three pictures are given: washing, ironing and coloring the clothes. So which work you can do? Just put a tick in that box. Okay, that's all for today. Read the chapter and then learn all the important keywords. Read the chapter every day and revise the spellings. Okay, thank you.